Hi, in front of me is TCL 406 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, select one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and open it in the background. Now tap on the icon of it at the top and select Float Window from the list. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. If you wish to scale it, you need to hold one of its corners. Then pick the perfect size and let go. In order to move it around, hold this line, the three-dotted one, and then drag it wherever you wish to. You can also use it to overlay the other apps. If you wish to close your window completely, click on the bottom right corner of it. If you want to use your app in full screen view instead, click on the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!